Hey, this is Chuck McClarty with Bear Electric. We installed a generator for you probably in the last couple years, and just wanted to give you a quick reminder video on how these things work, because I realize a lot of you may have forgot what we taught you, and this is something you can just come back to and watch. So save this in a good spot so you can refer back to it in the future. Got our nice Bear Electric truck and one of these nice Cummins generators. So this is a 13 kW generator. It's the same for a 13, 17, or 20. So when you come up to it, you can just lift the lid up, and then with the light out here, look down, and this screen should normally tell you if it's ran. Sometimes you have to hold a button down to wake the screen up. So as you can see, the two green lights are on. That's key. That means that this thing is ready to go and ready for standby. So if you don't see those green lights on, it may have a service light or a fault light, which would be orange or red, or it would be an auto run or manual run. So if you ever have trouble with your generator, snap a picture of this tag, which shows us the serial number, and that's how we can schedule Cummins to come out. Key things are checking the oil. So right here on top is your oil, and then your oil fill. So you'll need a funnel, and then make sure you have some full synthetic 2050 Mobile 1 or equal to for your generator. Also here on the front is the main breaker that will turn this on or off if it could get tripped, and all you'd have to do is put it down to the off position and turn it back on. Also, you'll have a gas shut-off valve if for some reason you need to turn off the gas. If you were smelling gas, you could simply just turn this sideways, and that's going to cut off the gas flow to the generator. So always make sure that's in line. Always make sure that these green lights are on, and then you can. All right, if you ever want to manual start your generator, you may just have to hit the back button a few times to get back to this screen. So it tells us the date, the time, everything here, and then it has this start button. You hit start, and then the next one over, you'd hit start again. It's gonna start up, and then at any point, as you can see, it's in manual run. The remote's on. You can hit the stop button. So that stop button is emergency stop. So, and you can see no lights are on anymore. So if you check the oil or came out to turn this off during the middle of the night or for any reason, you're gonna have to go back to here and hit the back button, hit mode, and then we're gonna have to enable both of those, and you can see those green lights come back on. This means this generator is ready for the power outage or your next power outage. So you can always just hit these back and mode buttons to get back here to the screen. So it tells us our battery's at 13.4 volts, and you're good to go. Green is good. Do you ever wonder, is my generator ready for this storm coming? I know I do. If you know a big storm is coming or a wind event, come out to your generator, open it up, and just make sure those green lights are on and it's ready. Hey, do you ever wonder, why have I not heard that generator start? Well, I want you to get a lawn chair for one. Go sit out by your generator on Tuesdays, well, the first Tuesday of the month at 2 o'clock, and I want you to watch that thing really carefully. It's gonna run for about 10 minutes and turn itself off. If it doesn't, you need to call us. Hey, we want to thank you for choosing Bear Electric to install your Cummins generator.